Okay. Okay, let me close all those things. Okay. What map? So map, right? Inside map, I mean, we saw some of the examples. These are old examples, whatever we have visited.
Right.
Okay. So there, I want to go back and I want to tell, I want to add some more things. We have an hash map right here.
Yes.
So a map functionality is key must be unique, right?
Yeah.
Key must be unique, right? So let's suppose if I'm adding here 14, 14, 14 two times key. So then it will take the latest one and previous one it will overwrite.
Yes.
So these are the existing functionality and we have already saw this feature, right?
Right.
Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to create another class inside map manager 2. Simple example. Map ma map manager 1. I had given class name. Okay. So this is the simple class what I have created. Okay. After that, what I want to do, I'm trying to create a class called student.
Okay.
Okay. This is a simple class. I think student already is there. Yeah, member. So student class already is there. So I'm trying to create class called member. Okay. Inside the member, I'm trying to create name, ID, member name, member ID. These are the two fields. Okay.
Mm.
I created and I want to assign these two fields by using the constructor. So how to assign values for these two fields by constructor is whenever you are trying to create a constructor, you have to create a argument constructor and you have to pass the values. That is
Okay.
one approach. Otherwise, we used to generate a setter getter by doing right click, generate setter getter. Where is that option? Just right click, source. You can select either generate setter getter or you can generate constructor using these fields. So I selected constructor using these fields. So basically I'm creating a constructor by using two arguments, string, ID, name,
Right.
and I'm assigning the values.
Okay.
This is clear, right? So this is a simple class and having two fields. Okay. After that, what I want to do, I want to create a map object. Map equal to new hash map. New hash map. This is the simple hash map I created. Okay. So after that, what I want to do, I want to create an object for member. So how to create an object? Member,
Member equal to member. Oh,
member m equal to new member, and after that I need to pass the value. Okay. Uh, Mustafa, your voice is very low. Might be mic is a bit far for you. Can you please?
you're hearing now?
Yeah, now it is fine.
Okay.
Okay. So I have to pass two arguments as a constructor. One is name and ID. Name I'm passing as a ABC, and ID I'm passing B100. It's ID.
Okay.
Okay. So basically, I want to create these member IDs. Some four different members. I'm trying to create an objects.
Okay.
This is a member. This is a member. This is a member. Just try copy pasted. First
Yeah.
object is M1,
Yeah.
and second object is M2. Third object is M3. Fourth object is M4.
Yeah.
Four different objects.
Yeah.
Let me give value as a PQR and let me give the value as a 130,
Right.
and let me give this value as a xyz, and member id is 140.
Okay.
See here, you can see there is one m3 and m1 having same values,
Same values.
abc b100 id, and m2 and m4 are different. I mean, values are different basically.
Yes.
Okay, now what I want to do, I want to add these members into my map as a key. How to add? Map dot
Dot M1 M2.
map dot put. Okay, and first I'm trying to add m1, and value is m1 value,
Okay.
m1 member. Okay, so this is my first element addition.
Okay.
Okay, after that I want to add m2, m2 m2 member. After that I want to add m3,
Okay.
m3 member. After that I want to add m4 and m4 member. So how many members I added? I created 4 member objects, and finally I added 4 member objects into the map. This is fine, right?
Yes.
Okay, after that what I want to do, I want to print the map element. So I inside the maps to member objects is that if I'll print right member object values, it is trying to display, but member object doesn't have toString method.
Yes.
So I have to override the
To string.
toString method, right?
Yep.
So this is the way to override the toString method. Right. So just right click, go to source, generate toString.
To string.
So right click, source, select, generate toString.
Okay.
Select all the fields. See, select all the fields,
Okay.
finish it. So now toString also is overridden.
Yeah.
Fine, right? Now I want to display it. Now just I have ran it, and see here. So this is the output. See, first one is ABC, M3 is displayed,
Right.
M3 element. After that M1 element,
Yes.
M3, M1 and M2, finally M4. So it's displaying all the elements, right?
Yes.
M1, M2, M3, M4. But here map key map key having a feature, it should not take the duplicates.
Yeah.
Correct? Map key must be unique.
Yes.
But here, did you see that there is a notice M3 and M1 is a duplicate, right?
Yes. Duplicate.
Why?
The
Because
values.
correct, right? You noticed that one, mean right? ABC B100, ABC B100.
Right.
But it is taking duplicates also.
Yes.
But generally, it should not take, right?
Yeah. As a rule, it should not take.
It should not take. So if you create a string objects and if you add same name, it will not take, right? We have already saw that examples here.
Right.
Let's suppose go back to our previous example and see here. Uh,
Uh,
14 I added 2 times.
And it's taking the latest one.
Latest one, and the other one it's ignoring.
Yeah.
Okay. And but in this case, so this is customized object, right? Member is a customized object, means I created this one.
Right.
So in this case, right, to avoid duplicates, right, what I had to do, I had to do two other things. So inside the member class, okay, I think there is an echo is coming. Mustafa, what I will do, I will disconnect it, I will connect again.
Okay.
Okay, my voice is repeating.
Okay.
Okay, now are you able to hear me?
Yes.
But still it's